Hello students, first year students, this is second lessons question and answers. First one line answers. I'll read the question and tell you the meaning. If you need the meaning, just take down and take down the answers also. Ramah kasmin vamshe jatah. One line answer it is. Ramah kasmin vamshe jatah means, first question, Ramah kasmin vamshe jatah. Ramah Ikshvaku vamshe jatah. The meaning of the question is, in which dynasty Rama took birth? In which dynasty Rama took birth? Answer is Ikshvaku. Just remove the kasmin. Instead of kasmin, you have to write Ikshvaku along with vamshe. Join those two words. Ikshvaku vamshe. Only one word it is. Ramaha Ikshvaku vamshe jataha is the answer. Okay. Then second question. Shatru nibarhanaha kaha. Who is the perfect person to defeat the enemies? To defeat the enemies. The answer is Ramaha. Just remove the kaha. Instead of kaha, you have to write Ramaha. Okay. Then third question. Tyage Ramaha kena samaha. Tyage Ramaha kena samaha is the third question. Meaning is, whom Rama is equivalent in sacrifice. By whom Rama is equivalent in sacrifice. Meaning is, by whom Rama is equivalent in sacrifice. Answer is Dhanadena. Answer is Dhanadena. Okay. Fourth question. Ramaha kan swajanavat pashyati. Whom Rama will look after, whom Rama will look after as a relative. Khan. You just remove the Khan. Instead of Khan, you have to write Pauran. Okay. Okay. Fourth question. Then fifth question. Ramaha kan avijitya sangramat na nivartate. Meaning, without defeating, whom without defeating Rama will be back by the war, from the war? Answer is Shatrun. Just remove the Khan. Instead of Khan, you have to write Shatrun. Okay. Then, sixth question. Vasavaha Kesham Raja. To whom Indra is king? The meaning of the question is, to whom Indra is the king. Vasava means Indra. To God, to gods. Kesham, it is in Bahuvachana, so you have to write as a Bahuvachana answer only. Devanam it is. Devanam. Vasavaha Devanam Raja. Okay. This is about one line answers. Roman number 2. दशवाक्यैः संस्कृतभाषया कन्नडभाषया आङ्ग्लभाषया वा उत्तरं लिखत. Means we answer the question within 10 lines by your chosen language or your favorite language. You can write the answer in your own language. Means don't write in Hindi or Marathi. Just write the answer in Kannada or English. Or you write, if it is easiest one, then you write in Sanskrit also. Okay? The meaning of the question is, Sri Ramasya Gunan Sangrihya Likhata. Mention the qualities of Rama. Mention the qualities of, good qualities of Rama. Okay, only one question. Then, third question number 3. Manjushataha suktam padam chitva riktasthanam purayata. By appropriate word, fill in the blanks. Question's meaning is, by taking the answer from the box which is appropriate for that line, you just write that answer in the blank place. Blank place. Okay? Dharmajnaha satyasandhascha. Prajanam is the answer. Prajanam cha hite rataha. Okay, then second one. Sangramat punaragatya kunjarena rathena. Rathena is the second answer. And third one is Ramo vigrahavan dharmaha. So, if you need the answer number for box, you just take down 213. Sorry, 231. Okay, 231. Okay. Then question number 4. पाठनाम उल्लिख्य अधो निर्दिष्ट संख्याकानां श्लोकानां अनुवादं कन्नड भाषया आंग्ल भाषया वा कुरुत. Explain the shlokas with your Kannada language or English language to given numbers, shlokas. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 13, 15. Once again, I will explain those shlokas. Just if you are not able to understand, that time when I when I taught the shlokas, that time if you are not understood, just take down the shloka meaning. Okay, I explained in the last lesson how to write the shloka answers. Okay, how to write? First you have to write this shloka is given, put the question number, and if you are able to write, you can write the shloka once again in your answer paper, and then you start answering. Answer point number 1. This shloka have been taken from the lesson Adarsha Gunaha. That you have to write first. Then you have to write the meaning in the column. Meaning of the shloka. Dharmadnyaha satyasandhascha prajanam cha hiteratah yashasvi jnanasampannaha shuchirvashyaha samadhiman. Rama, he knows the dharmas. Satyasandha, he is a very truth teller every time. He looks happiness of the people of the state. He is a very good successful man. He is a very knowledgeable person and good character person, and he have the control over his parts of the body, samadhiman, that is. Then you have to conclude about Rama. This shloka tells us how Rama was there. The qualities of Rama's qualities have been explained in this shloka. You have to write the conclusion part. Okay. Then fourth shloka number 4. Rakshita swasya dharmasya swajanasya cha rakshita veda vedanga tattvajnah dhanurvede cha nishtitah. Rakshita swasya dharmasya, he protects his dharma. Along with that dharma, he protects his people of the country. He knows the Vedas, all the Vedas and Vedangas. He knows all the tattvas, and he knows mainly arrow knowledge also. He is having very cleanly. Like you have to write, and again you have to write the answer, like first this shloka part 1, part 2, part 3. This shloka have been taken from the lesson, then meaning, then the conclusion part. Okay. Then sarva shastrartha tattvajnah smrtivan pratibhanavan sarvalokapriyaha sadhu adinatma vichakshanaha. Sarva shastrartha tattvajnah, he knows all the tattvas and shastras. He is a very intelligent man. His memory is very, very good. Sarvalokapriyaha, he is a very popular a very known person for every citizen of the country. Sadhu, very polite. Adhinatma, he doesn't beg in front of a people for something. Okay, Vichakshana, very sharp. This is the meaning of the shloka for 5th shloka. Okay, then 8th and 9th. 8th shloka. Prajasukhatve chandrasya vasudhayaha kshama gunaihi buddhya brahaspatehe tulyaha virre sakshat shachipatehe. Rama is like a moon in giving happiness to people. He is like a earth in excuseness of all the people who done wrong things. Buddhya Brahaspatehe Tulyaha. He is equivalent to Brahaspati, who is the teacher of all the God. By mentally, by his mentally, he is very, very strong. He is very sharp. He is equivalent to Brahaspati. And Virya Sakshat Shachipatehe. In the strength, he looks like as a Indra. How the Indra is having a good strength, likewise Rama also is having good strength. Then shloka number 9th. Mriduscha sthirachittascha sada bhavyaha anasuyakaha priyavadi cha bhutanam satyavadi cha raghavaha. How the Rama was? He is a very mridu, very, very, very polite. Means mridu means very smiley face. Sthirachittaha. He is having very controlled mentality, control over his mind. Sada bhavyaha. He looks always good. Anasuyika. He doesn't have jealousy about others, any other things. Priyavadi cha bhutanam. He speaks with the persons very smiley face. And Satyavadi cha Raghavaha. He tells every time truth only. He doesn't speak any untruthful to the people. Then 13th one. Smitapurvabhibhashi cha dharmam sarvatmanashritah samyagyokta shreyasancha na vigrihya katharuchihi. Smitapurvabhibhashi cha. He speaks with smiley face. He is having dharma, all dharmas in his mind. He follows the dharma every time. Samyak Yokta, he is a very good planner. He is a very good successor in his life. While he is a very good orator, when giving lectures, he will not cross his limits. That is very important. That thing Rama is having. Then 15th shloka. Ramo vigrahavan dharmaha sadhuhu satyaparakramaha raja sarvasya lokasya devanamiva vasavaha. Ramo vigrahavan dharmaha. Rama looks like as a dharma, as an idol of dharma. Sadhu, very good person. Satyaparakrama. He tells in a speaking truth, he is a very great person. Raja Sarvasya Lokasya. He is the king for all the universe. Like a Indra, how Indra is king for all the gods. Likewise, Rama also king for all the universe. This is about the shlokas. Likewise, so we'll conclude here all the question answers of the second lesson, and we'll move third lesson in next class. Okay, thank you.